At ELGi, real transformation starts on the shop floor. Here in Rotorbay, we don't just adopt technology, we build it. Designed and developed by ELGi's experts, the ELGi Deburr is a fully indigenous solution that transforms deburring operations and redefines productivity. With smart automation, we've unlocked next-level performance. The result? An impressive 81% increase in deburring capacity, unlocking new levels of efficiency. The ELGi Deburr is a reflection of our engineering expertise and our commitment to building solutions that power the industry forward. At ELGi, innovation drives us forward through smart automation and advanced technologies.